man who can change the scenario of a country? A politician. A politician has got the power to change the scenario of any country.
The relation between a person and the other person. The call is a family.
Why I consider the social media that platform we are connecting to each other such as platform Instagram, Facebook, and the many other issues like.
In India, instead of development, we are getting illness every day.
Public speaking session. So yeah, this is Divya right there in front of you all, and I've been associated with this place for more than 10 years now. मुझे 10 साल से ज़्यादा हो गए हैं बरी के साथ जुड़े हुए, इसी महीने ही हुए हैं, and बहुत जबरदस्त एक्सपीरियंस रहा है मेरा अकेडमी के साथ. I also joined here as you people like students. So my journey with this academy has always been beautiful. इसके अलावा now the question is, what is this session all about today? Right? You must be wondering what this session is all about. So this session is going to be all about public speaking session. So guys, public speaking basically means to gain your confidence, to develop the skill of communicating to the people right in front of them is the skill of public speaking. अगर मैं आपको बोलूं अभी कि आपको अपने बैच के सामने परफॉर्म करना है या फिर आपको बिल्कुल एक नए बैच में जाके नए लोगों के आगे परफॉर्म करना है, कौन सा ज्यादा कंफर्टेबल है आपके लिए? अपने बैच के आगे परफॉर्म करना, राइट? सो द सेम थिंग, you people are quite habitual of performing in front of your batchmates कि आपके अंदर नए लोगों के आगे परफॉर्म करने की जो एक शक्ति होती है, और you can say that skill, that ability, you miss that somewhere, isn't it? Right? So for the same reason, these sessions have been conducted here by the academy so that you can experience not just new members but a lot of members, right? So today what we are going to do is that we have got a lot of beautiful faces right in front of me. I'll be calling some among you all right there in front of the stage, okay? There would be some certain different activities given to you and you got to be simply performing that here, okay? We may have something based upon some topics, something based upon debates, maybe group presentation. I can give you anything. So are you guys ready for that? Yes! All right, okay. So what we will do, मैंने यहाँ पे कुछ chits prepare किए हैं and every chit contains a number. So अभी मैं क्या करूँगी, मैं यहाँ पे आपको randomly कुछ numbers दूंगी, आपको अपना number याद रखना है. Alright guys? Yes. So मैं आपको मेरे numbers देती हूँ. Okay guys, I've got the first chit. क्या लग रहा है किसका नाम होगा? It's 35. Who is 35? So we have got Vineet versus Aditya.
So, hello everyone. Guys, do you know a man who can change the scenario of a country?
Yes.
A politician. A politician has got the power to change the scenario of any country. A politician can change the scenario of the country and can make the worst situation in any country. But it's up to you that whom politician you gonna choose it. A politician who can change, who can bring positive thinking and positive changes in your country. It's up to you, and that's it.
So what I believe that politicians are the one who really don't impact in our country. Reason being, they are just pocket filling. We can see our India. In India, instead of development, we are getting illness every day. But behind this, there are people who are like those who clear competitive exams like IAS, IPS. They are the one who really bring the change in our society. But what about the politics? I don't think so. Politics change and impact, give impact in our India.
First thing, for your kind information, that you are talking about exceptional cases. You are talking about India, and India is not only country where politicians are available. There are a lot more countries like New Zealand, USA, China, and there are several countries who rule by the politicians. And politicians are doing great things for the country. It's just that you need a great leader to protect your country, not a thief.
Exactly. He talking about USA. We all know that president of USA is Donald Trump. As we know that we are facing the problem of we are facing a problem of like LPG, liquid petroleum gas, because of some World War happening in between US and Iran and Israel. US and Iran or Israel are like conflicting with Iran because of Hormuz. We are not getting a supply of crude oil, so that is impacting our India. So as we are living in India, I just have to talk about India only because why I should talk about other politicians? Why I am living in India, but in India, politicians are just getting election selected on the behalf of public. But are they taking care of public? I don't think so, because they are like every politician have so many criminal cases. We can talk about Amit Shah. He have more than 10 criminal cases. Still, those who are IS and IPS officer, I want to take a name of Rinku Singh. He was an IS officer, but because of his honesty, he just got he's getting a blame from government. The person who was honest in India are getting blame.
I think guys, Minister is very negative guy. He want to see only the negative thing about the politician, and he want to say only negative things about politicians. I think he never heard about the name of AGP Abdul Kalam. He was the politician. He did a very great thing for the India. And AGP Abdul Kalam and Atal Bihari Vajpayee, they were the greatest politician in India, and they had great things for India, like giving permission for inventing the nuclear energy. And you might have heard the news that India has made nuclear energy. India has made their own nuclear energy, and now this is very rare cases.
Last 1 minute.
Where any country are able to make their own energy supplies. So I think this is big achievement for any country.
So as he mentioning name of APJ Abdul Kalam. So how many APJ Abdul Kalam are politician in India? That is once in a blue moon. So like everyone can't become a APJ Abdul Kalam. So in India, I can see that people are so crazy. Like people are just mind blowing. They are giving like voting to people who are not educated. There is a person, Raghav Chadha, who actually a politician, and because of his honesty, right now he just got like he had a Z plus security.
So that is I'm talking about.
So that got removed.
Like a right politician, a educated politician can change the scenario of any country. As he already mentioned, Raghav Singh Chadha.
Exactly.
Raghav Singh Chadha, who raised multiple things in parliament about the India things, like to change it, like the 10 minutes of delivery.
Exactly. The Raghav Chadha is a great politician, but those who are great in India and choosing the right career, they are getting like he had a Z plus security, and every politician should require, because they would not like they can't go in a normal place. Yeah, sure, why not?
So what do you think? Whom do you want to run the country?
Whom do you? The people who clear the competitive exam and become like a statue of India, like IS, IPS officer. They are the one behind every politician who manage everything. They are the one who guide India. That's all. Thank you so much.
It was quite nice. देखो, the best part of the debate was information. इनके पास ना information थी काफी अच्छी. What they both even mentioned, especially Vineet. आदित्य के मुकाबले विनीत ने ज़्यादा information place है, right? और when you have got good data, certified data, जब आपके पास certified data होता है ना, जो actually world में घट रहा है, और आप debate के दौरान उस data को present करते हो, तो आप already एक बहुत अच्छा खासा number अपने खाते में डाल चुके हो. When you have got good information, knowledge, numerical data जब आप देते हो, right? लोगों के नाम mention करते हो, वो debate में आपको सीधा एक बड़ी hike दे जाता है. So make sure कि आप इस चीज को भी involve करो अपने debates, right? Well done both. Okay, so Arshad, your topic is family.
Family.
Ready? Start.
The relation between a person and the other person. The call is a family. You know what is the family? The family are a group of people. They help and they also support you when you are in a depression, when you are feeling any situation. That's the reason the family is very important. So, hi everyone, this side your friend Arshad. You know, the family. Family is a very important. The majorly the two types of family, the nuclear family and a joint family. The joint family, I believe I belong a joint family. That's the reason I mainly believe a joint family is more good. Because you have a grandparents, your uncle, auntie, and they also help in your work. That's the reason. But if we talk about the nuclear family, your mother and father, your sister and brother. But it is not a very weak for you because you have your cousin, brother, and etc. Because it is also part of your family. That's the reason I believe family is very important because member.
That's it. अन्ना, कैसा लगा अभी आपको परफॉर्म करके? बहुत अच्छा लगा। अच्छा बोला आपने। देखो, I really appreciate majority of you for the energies that you people hold while coming upon the stage. एनर्जी में तो कोई कमी नहीं है। हाँ, हो सकता है इंग्लिश वाइज, कंटेंट वाइज, थोड़ा फ्लुएंसी वाइज पीपल आर स्टकिंग, एंड दैट इज ऑल्सो बिकॉज प्रैक्टिस वाली बात। जिसको ज्यादा समय हो गया अकेडमी आते हुए वो ज्यादा अच्छा कर पा रहा है, जो थोड़ा सा कम समय से आ रहा है वो थोड़ा सा स्ट्रगल कर रहा है, बट लेकिन जब उस इंसान को भी पहले इंसान जितना एक्सपीरियंस हो जाएगा, सो डेफिनेटली एवरीबॉडी विल डू गेट बेटर, राइट? वेरी गुड अर्शद, थैंक यू। Okay, now I want to call members for group presentation. तो उसके लिए I'll take 3 chits. All right, so guys, we have got 3 members here in front of us. We have got Sumit, Hemant, and Mayank. Now what we'll do with them is, मैं इनको एक टॉपिक दूंगी, टॉपिक के बाद मैं आपको दूंगी सिर्फ 2 मिनट, ताकि आप 2 मिनट में एटलीस्ट कुछ डिस्कस करके उस टॉपिक को सेग्रीगेट करके प्रिपेयर कर लो, एंड देयर आफ्टर यू विल बी गिवन 5 मिनट्स टू परफॉर्म। 5 मिनट्स में आपको उस एक टॉपिक को साथ में मिलकर परफॉर्म करना, राइट? सो दिस इज अ ग्रुप प्रेजेंटेशन, नॉट जस्ट अबाउट पब्लिक स्पीकिंग बट आल्सो अबाउट टीम वर्क। योर टॉपिक इज ऑल अबाउट सोशल मीडिया। चलो, बहुत इजी दिया मैंने। योर टाइम स्टार्ट नाउ।
Hi guys, this side Sumit and the part of his partners and with my team members, and today we are talking about that social media is not a media. Why I consider the social media that platform we are connecting to each other, such as platform Instagram, Facebook, and the lot more other issues like other applications. The social media connecting to each other, but the ground reality is that the social media is not connected to us. Why so? If there is a multiple issues which is giving by the other people and the applications, this is the social media issues. So I am calling my friend to connecting to each other to giving some important points.
Hello friends, this is Hemant. I'm telling you the advantage of social media. So social media connect us with the whole worldwide. We can learn lots of things from social media. If you're talking about us, we are busy in social media. We don't read any newspaper nowadays, but we learn lots of things from the social media. And
disadvantages. So there are lot of disadvantages. Like there are cyberbullying, cyberphishing in social media. The rumors can spread easily because the social media has a wide audience, and it can spread like a wildfire. And comparison nowadays, comparison on social media is very high, like on looks, on clothes, or on body structure as well. Like if a person is going to gym and a skinny person or a fat person is seeing his Instagram ID or his account, so the person might get insecure about his looks, his body, or his clothing, or his lifestyle. Can be insecure for his lifestyle as well.
As they mentioned that the social media has positive and negative sides, let's understand some facts and figures which is given by the US University and Economics Affairs. The social media is conducted by the cyberbullying and the cybercrime report is increasing. As per the reality of the NCRB, 66% of the cybercrimes increase in the previous year. Why so that if a social media is good for us, why it increasing the like the old age home and other facilities? If the Economics Affairs mentioned that the business study mentioned that because of the social media, the most of the companies running behind of that. That is the real ground reality of the social media. In my perspective, our team mentioned that some of the information, but is not a reality. But in the ground reality is that the social media connecting to us, but they increasing the generation gap. Why so? The teenagers is connecting to us, but the ground reality they are lacking of the connecting social like front of us.
So there is one more disadvantage of social media that anything happen in our society, we can easily got to know what is happening nearby us, and if there is mishappening in our society, we can easily justify that the person justify any others just because of the social media.
And we can easily get influenced by any of the influencer in social media or in any social media platform, because somewhere they connect with us, they relate with us, because they talk about our problems, but sometimes they give negative solutions that can affect us, negatively, and make our image negative. And some people says social media is connecting us, but it is making us lonely only, because whenever we talk in chats, in calls, we have full confidence, we can say anything. But when it comes to ground reality, when it comes to speaking in front of many peoples, we lack in this thing, because we are habitual to talk virtual, not in front of many peoples, not in real life.
As you mentioned, let the conclude of the whole of the scenario. The social media is connecting to us, but the reality is increasing the generation gap, as I mentioned that. But the reality is that the social media, the increasing the security risks and the security breaches. Why so? As you mentioned that, like the previous years and the previous month, the Google security breaches have happened. The Google passwords are hacked by the other hackers, and a lot more issues are happening because of that. But if I'm mentioned that if I'm going to the conclusion is that the social media is good for us, but the reality is bad for us also. Because of that, why the other governments, as Karnataka government and the Australian government banned for social media because for the teenagers. Why so? The social media increasing the mental stress, mental depression.
देखो, every performance that went today right there upon the stage, every performance was beautiful. I must agree with that, because that performance had a courage, that performance had an experience, right? So every performance that went on today went well, it went good. आप अटके, सही नहीं बोल पाए, घबराए, ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक्स करी आपने, राइट? कुछ बहुत एनर्जेटिक्स थे, किसने प्रॉपर प्रिपरेशन की वजह से नहीं अच्छा परफॉर्म कर पाए, बट बहुत सारे लूप होल्स रहे होंगे आपके परफॉर्मेंस में, बट मोर देन दैट यू परफॉर्म्ड, दैट मैटर्ड, राइट? आपका परफॉर्मेंस ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, राइट? ना कि अच्छे या बुरे से, राइट? जब एक क्रिकेट मैच होता है ना, हारने वाली टीम इस तरीके से पोर्ट्रे नहीं होती कि वो हारी, उन्होंने खेला, वही अपने आप में जीत है, राइट? वही अपने आप में जीतेगी, उन्होंने खेला वहां पर. So whosoever was there on the stage today, you should feel proud of yourself that you came and you performed. आप आए और आपने परफॉर्म किया, यही आपके लिए एक अचीवमेंट होनी चाहिए, राइट? क्योंकि गलतियां होंगी, हमेशा होंगी, जीवन भर गलतियां कर करके ही तो सीखोगे, राइट? तो इस चीज को एक्सेप्ट करो कि हम आए, हमसे अच्छा परफॉर्म हो सकता है नहीं हो पाया हो, लेकिन नेक्स्ट टाइम इन्हीं गलतियों को ठीक करेंगे. जब आप नेक्स्ट टाइम आओगे ना परफॉर्म करने, तब इनसे इस वाली परफॉर्मेंस से बेहतर करोगे, लेकिन हो सकता है फिर कुछ और कमियां निकल के आए. जब आप इसमें बेहतर कर लोगे, फिर कुछ कमी निकालूंगी मैं, क्योंकि मुझे आपको बेस्ट देखना है, राइट? आई वांट टू सी यू एट दी बेस्ट लेवल ऑफ योर्स, राइट? तो गलतियां करो, सुधारो, गलतियां करो, सुधारो, एंड दैट इज द ओनली वे टू इंप्रूव योरसेल्फ, राइट? कोई बात नहीं, आज जैसी भी परफॉर्मेंस आपकी हुई, बट यू शुड स्टिल फील कॉन्फिडेंट दैट यू केम एंड यू परफॉर्म. आज के लिए बस इतना ही. आई होप यू ऑल हैड ग्रेट टाइम हियर विद मी एंड आई वाज एबल टू add on a little in all your lives and your experience of Budding English Academy, right?